here. Very difficult to aim this camera and go put the power on the 3. Damn. Bus line goes up there. I want to see where this goes. It's got some sort of chemical rubber burning smell back here. Oh, lovely. Oh, that's not much to it. Yield to pets. Okay. It's a Magic Kingdom. What's this gonna be? Is the bike path that way or this way? What if I want to go that way? I'm hungry.